Good morning, children. In this video, we will start our lesson number 5, the Southern Plateaus. Okay, so our next topic is the Southern Plateaus. Okay, before this, we have done our three physical forms. Our three physical forms are Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, and the Great Indian Desert. Now, it is our fourth physical feature of India. Okay, so this is our fourth physical feature, the Southern Plateaus. Okay, so what are plateaus? First, if we are going to study about plateaus, so we should know that what are plateaus. What do you mean by plateaus? Hannah, you have already learned about plateaus in class 3 also. Plateaus क्या होते हैं सबसे पहले हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. So you have studied about in class 3 and we are going to recall it. What are plateaus actually? Plateaus are highland which is almost flat at the top. है ना, like टेबल, आपने टेबल देखा है जो कि ऊंचा होता है और उसका जो टॉप होता है वो फ्लैट होता है. इट्स लाइक दैट ओनली. मतलब जो प्लेट्यू होता है बाकी लैंड एरिया से थोड़ा ऊंचा होता है और उसका जो लैंड एरिया है वो कैसा होता है, टॉप जो उसका होता है वो कैसा होता है, फ्लैट होता है. ओके, सो if we talk about the definition of this, so plateau is a highland. Plateau is a highland which is almost flat at the top. ठीक, simply the easiest example we can understand it like with a table, है ना. जैसे टेबल कैसे ऊपर फ्लैट, जो ऊपर टॉप होता है इसका ये फ्लैट होता है, ठीक है, एंड इन कंपेयर टू दिस अदर पार्ट इट इज लिटिल at the high place. So similarly the plateaus are little bit higher than the northern plains and the coastal plains. ठीक है, उनसे ऊंचाई पे होते हैं और उनका जो टॉप होता है वो कैसा होता है, फ्लैट होता है. ठीक है. Now I'll show you map of India in which you can understand that what is the southern plateau. ठीक है, look at this diagram. This yellow part, this whole yellow part is our southern plateau, this whole part. Okay, and we are going to study about this whole southern plateau, how many into how many parts this southern plateau is divided. This we will learn, this we will know. Then after that we will learn about the states which are falling into the southern plateau, lifestyle of people, occupation followed by the people after this. So before that we learned that how many parts it is divided into how many parts. ठीक है, and its extent, कहाँ से कहाँ तक ये फैला हुआ है. Okay, so first we learn about the extent. Extent means ये किस स्थान से कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है. ओके, सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द एक्सटेंट, इट इज इन द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, इस कंट्री के सदर्न पार्ट में. ठीक है. ओके, सी दिस सदर्न पार्ट, दिस इज द सदर्न मिडल पार्ट एंड द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री इज this, the whole southern plateau. This whole part is called southern plateau, है ना. Understood? Now southern plateau lies to the south of the northern plains. क्या है इसका extent? It lies, extent, इसका extent क्या है? इसका extent है it lies to the south of the northern plains. And look at this picture. I'll show you here in the picture which we are having in the first chapter only. Look at this picture. This whole pink is plateau. दिस इज अवर नॉर्दर्न प्लेन. तो इस नॉर्दर्न प्लेन के साउथ में कौन सा पार्ट है? इसके साउथ में, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन के साउथ में जो भी एरिया दिख रहा है दैट इज अवर प्लेट्यू, सदर्न प्लेट्यू. सो व्हाट वी हैव रिटन हियर, इट लाई टू द साउथ ऑफ द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, साउथ ऑफ द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. अंडरस्टूड? इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके. Now this area is like a cone shape. ठीक है, किस तरह का दिख रहा है? It's like a cone. आपके पास आपने आइसक्रीम कोन देखा? आइसक्रीम कोन कैसा होता है? It's like this ना. This is the shape of the cone. कोन ऐसे ही होता है कि नहीं होता है? Cone is like that. This is the shape of cone ना. And compare the shape. This shape is also like that cone only. ठीक है? This shape and the shape of this area is like the cone. Okay, understood? So the southern plateau is like a cone shape. Understood? Now it is bounded by ghats. Ghat means what? Ghat means the southern plateau is surrounded by mountains or hills, we can say, in the eastern part or in the eastern side or in the western sides. So the hills which bound the plateau in the east or in the west direction that are called eastern ghats or western ghats. ठीक है? Now it is bounded by Aravalli Hill in the northwest. It is bounded by Aravalli Hill. ठीक है? It is bounded means घिरा होना. ठीक है? It is bounded by Aravalli hills in the north west and also it is bounded by Raj Mahal Hills in the northeast. Okay, understood? ठीक है? It is bounded by Aravalli Hills in the northwest. Northwest means it is just think about Aravalli Hills. Where we have learned about Aravalli Hills? Aravalli Hills divide the Rajasthan into two parts, right? We have learned Aravalli Hills divide the Rajasthan into two parts. The western part is desert and the eastern part is quite fertile Rajasthan, है ना? So that same Aravalli Hills divide the it is bounded, this southern plateau is bounded by Aravalli Hills in the northwest and Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. I'll show you the picture over here. Look at this. These are Aravalli Hills. Okay, so this northeast part, this is the northeast, this is our northwest, this is our northeast, this is our north, southeast and southwest. ठीक है? 4 sub directions are also there. So here in this way, this part in the northwest, it is bounded by this Aravalli Hills. Okay, understood? It is visible to all, I think. Look at this diagram, this map. It is on page number 36 of your book. In the northwest, it is bounded by Aravalli Hills, and here in this part, it is bounded by Rajmahal Hills. Okay, so here it is bounded by Rajmahal Hills, here it is bounded by Aravali Hills. These area, this part is called, this is west eastern Ghat and this one is western Ghat. Means the hills of this part, some hills are bounding it from east and in the west and in the east direction. So that is called Ghats. Okay, it is bounded by eastern Ghats and western Ghats also. Okay, it is clear to everyone. Then if we talk about this whole southern plateau, this whole southern plateau is divided into two major parts. Okay, ये जो पूरा southern plateau है, if we talk about, if we go through the map of the country, I am just giving you the outline of this map. Wait for a minute, let me draw this. I'll try to explain it to you with the help of the diagram. Okay. Here in this part, it is Aravali Hills. So from this part, our southern plateau is, it's like that. Okay. Here it is Bangladesh also. This whole part is our southern plateau. ठीक है, यहाँ से this is our Rajasthan state. ठीक है, understood? You can understand it with this like this. This whole is southern plateau. This whole, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक, this whole is southern plateau. ठीक. Now this whole is divided into two parts. This whole southern plateau is divided into two parts. ठीक है, two unequal parts. अगर हम बीच से डिवाइड करेंगे तो that are equal, but it is divided into two unequal parts by the river Narmada. Now where is the river Narmada? It is in our central area. It is the central part of the country. It is in our state only, Madhya Pradesh. So it flows here in this way from Jabalpur, है ना. यहाँ से फ्लो होती है और यहाँ अरेबियन सी, इधर अरेबियन सी में आके फॉल गिरती है ना. So this part you can say. Okay, I'll just make it properly so it will. Okay, in this way it is there, है ना, इस तरह से है. So this whole Deccan Plateau is divided into two parts, this one and this one. ठीक है, इस तरह से ये नर्मदा रिवर जो है इस whole southern plateau को फर्स्ट दिस पार्ट एंड इन दिस पार्ट, इन टू अनइक्वल पार्ट्स में ये डिवाइड कर देती है. ओके, दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रल हाईलैंड एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. दिस वन इज सेंट्रल हाईलैंड, दिस प्लेट्यू इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रल हाईलैंड एंड दिस सदर्न पार्ट इज डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. Okay, understood. Now again this part, this central highland is also divided into two parts. ठीक है, this central highland is also divided into two parts, or you can say this central highland is consist of two parts. This is our Malwa Plateau. Okay, this Rajmahal area na, this is our Malwa Plateau. I hope it is visible to everyone. I hope it is visible to you all. Let me change my chalk first. Malwa Plateau, and here it is. The second is Chota Nagpur. Where I will write, I'll write it here only. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay. Understood? It is clear. So this whole southern plateau is divided into Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. This first and this is second. This Central Highland is divided into A, Malwa Plateau, and B, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Understood? This whole is divided into Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. This Central Highland is divided into Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. I hope it is clear to everyone. I'll try to make it clear again with the help of the chart. Okay? Our chapter is 5. The Southern Plateau. Let me write the name of the chapter again. Okay. So this chapter, the Southern Plateau, divided into two parts. Okay. First is Central Highlands, and here it is Deccan Plateau. Okay, in this way. First, the Southern Plateau is divided into Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Again, this Central Highland is divided into two parts or consists of two plateaus, that is Malwa Plateau and that another is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now it is clear to everyone. Southern Plateau divided into Central Highlands, Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau is the part of Central Highland and Chota Nagpur Plateau is the part of Central Highland. Okay, understood to everyone. Now our next thing which we should know, that Malwa Plateau. Where is the Malwa Plateau and where is the Chota Nagpur Plateau? Now we will learn about these three plateaus that we have learned: Central Highland, Deccan Plateau. So we will go through one by one all three plateaus. In the Central Highland we will learn about Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau, and then Deccan Plateau. Okay, so first we start with our Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau means the part of Central Highland. Okay, understood? I'll show you the location also again here. This is our Malwa Plateau. You can see here Malwa Plateau written over here. This is our Malwa Plateau and here it is our Chota Nagpur Plateau. And this whole is called Deccan Plateau. This part is Deccan Plateau. Okay? This is the river Narmada. You can see this river Narmada. This river Narmada starts from here and flows to the Arabian Sea, and this river divides the whole plateau into two, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. This Central Highland is consist of Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, it is clear to everyone. Now Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau is in the northwest of the Central Highland. I just explained you, it is in the northwest. यहाँ northwest में है, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू जो है वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है. ठीक है, इट इज इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट ऑफ द सेंट्रल हाईलैंड एंड लाइज बिटवीन द अरावली हिल्स एंड द विंध्या हिल्स. सो वेयर इट lies between two hills. ठीक है, कौन कौन सी हिल है? बिटवीन द Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. Okay, Malwa Plateau is lie between Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. ठीक है. It slopes towards the north. इसका स्लोप किस तरफ है? नॉर्थ की तरफ झुका हुआ है. इनके जो ढलान है वो किस तरफ है? Towards the northern part of the country. Therefore many rivers in this area join Ganga and Yamuna. और इसी कारण से जो नदियाँ फ्लो करती हैं इन दिस मालवा प्लेट्यू वो गंगा और यमुना नदी को जाके ज्वाइन करती हैं क्योंकि उसका ढलान उस तरफ है. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे ये प्लेट्यू है, अगर ये इस तरफ झुकेगा, इसका स्लोप इस तरफ होगा तो पानी की जो रिवर्स फ्लो करती हैं उसका फ्लो उसी डायरेक्शन में हो जाएगा. ये फ्लैट एरिया है, अगर इसका स्लोप इस तरफ होगा तो रिवर का फ्लो नीचे की तरफ आ जाएगा. अगर इस तरफ होगा तो रिवर्स इस तरफ जाएंगी ईस्ट में. वेस्ट में स्लोप होगा तो वेस्ट में आ जाएंगी. सो मालवा प्लेट्यू का जो स्लोप है वो नॉर्थ साइड में है. तो जो भी नदियाँ मालवा प्लेट्यू में फ्लो करती हैं वो कहाँ जाती हैं? वो जनरली गंगा या यमुना रिवर को ज्वाइन करती हैं. नाउ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सॉइल, किस तरह की सॉइल है? सॉइल इन मालवा प्लेट्यू, what kind of soil is there? Soil is very fertile and black. Soil is quite fertile and black. So what kind of soil is there? Black soil which is quite fertile. ठीक है. And the crops grown in this Malwa Plateau region are generally cotton and oil seeds. ठीक है, because black soil is good for cotton. Cotton प्लांट्स को ग्रो करने के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. सो इन दिस रीजन व्हाट वी कैन फाइंड द क्रॉप्स ऑफ कॉटन एंड ऑयल सीड्स. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. सो मालवा प्लेट्यू लाइज बिटवीन अरावली हिल्स एंड विंध्या हिल्स. द मालवा प्लेट्यू कंसिस्ट ऑफ ब्लैक सॉइल. ठीक है, वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट द ब्लैक सॉइल इज generally found in the Malwa Plateau and it is good for cotton and oil seed crops. ठीक है, these crops are generally grow in this area. Now our next is after the Malwa Plateau, the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So in this way we have done our Central Highland. So our second part of the second plateau of the Central Highland is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, that is our another plateau of the Central Highland. Another plateau of the Central Highland. Okay. Now Chota Nagpur Plateau is in the northeast. ये कहाँ है? नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में है. And it is very rich in minerals. It is in the north east. कहाँ पे है? नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है. And we can say that it is bounded by Rajmahal Hills. ठीक है, राजमहल हिल्स हैं इस एरिया में. And it is very rich in what? This area is rich in minerals. Minerals, you know, natural resources है ना, minerals. ठीक है, तो what minerals are there? Like coal. Coal means कोयला जो होता है ना, coal. Iron, manganese. Sorry, spelling is little big. Okay, and mica also. These are common minerals of this plateau. ठीक है, these are generally found in this area. So Chota Nagpur Plateau is in the northeast of the country. You can say in the northeast direction. It is very rich in minerals like coal, iron, manganese and mica. And we can find the Rajmahal Hills in this Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Understood? Now our next is Deccan Plateau. Okay? The second part, first what we have done, this is done our first one, the Central Highland. The second is, another one is Deccan Plateau. Okay? This Deccan Plateau we will do. So this Deccan Plateau is here. As I explained to you, this part below this Narmada river, this whole is our Deccan Plateau. Okay? And it is the very big part of this southern plateau. सबसे जो बड़ा हिस्सा जो major part है southern plateau का, that is Deccan Plateau. The southern Deccan Plateau is the major part of the whole southern plateau. ठीक है? And it is across the Satpura mountains. ये Satpura mountains के it is lies across the Satpura mountains. ठीक है? And it is towards the south of the river Narmada according to the picture. I just showed you a picture ना, according to that you can understand it very easily. इसको आप देख के समझ जाओगे. आपको पिक्चर से it is very clear. इस पिक्चर से आपको क्लियर हो रहा है कि ये नर्मदा रिवर के साउथ में, इसके नीचे मतलब साउथ, नर्मदा के ऊपर टॉप, तो ये नर्मदा रिवर के साउथ में है. ठीक है? सो दिस इज क्वाइट बिग टॉपिक. इसमें बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स आएंगे दैट वी विल नॉट, सो दैट वी विल कंप्लीट this in our next video. Okay, so in this video what we have learned, first we will recall the points, then we will move towards that toward the next topic, otherwise it will not clear to you in the proper way. So what we have done in this chapter, in this video we have learned that plateau. So what are plateau? Plateaus are highlands which is almost flat at the top. ठीक है? Then we have done that southern plateaus lies towards the northern plains. So first point we have learned that plateaus are highlands or which is plateau is a highland. Plateau is a highland which is almost flat at the top. Understood? First point we have learned this. Then in this plateau we will learn about the southern plateau. So southern plateau, where is the location? What is the location of the southern plateau? It is location. What is the location of this? Location is, it is towards the southern plateau is, it is towards the south of northern plains. ठीक है? ठीक है ना? And the shape and its shape is like a cone. ठीक है? cone shape है इसका. shape जो है वो it is like a cone shape. ठीक है? and it is bounded by Eastern Ghat and the Western Ghat. ठीक है? bounded by, it is bounded by Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Next we have learned this. ठीक है? Eastern Ghat or Western Ghat, I explained you here also in the picture. Again I will show you the like this is the shape of the country. This, it is a rough diagram. These are Eastern Ghats and these are Western Ghats. ठीक है? Again I'll show you properly. Look at this. In this way we have the shape. So this is Eastern Ghat and this part is, ये जो है, these are Eastern Ghats and these are Western Ghats. तो यहाँ hills हैं. Here also are some hills. These Eastern Ghats are not very high, but these Western Ghats are quite high. मतलब जो hills हैं यहाँ की थोड़ी ऊंची हैं, जबकि यहाँ पे इतना high hills are not there. ठीक है? So these are Eastern Ghats. And here are Western Ghats. So it is bounded by Western and Eastern Ghats also. Understood? This we have learned. Then we have learned that it is bounded by Aravalli Hills in the northwest, and then it is bounded by Rajmahal Hills in the northeast, where the Chota Nagpur Plateau is there. It is divided into two parts. Okay, two parts are there. Southern Plateau, the whole Southern Plateau is divided into two parts. That is Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. ठीक है? Then we have learned that this is also divided into two parts. That is Malwa Plateau okay, that is Malwa Plateau, and then another is Chota Nagpur Plateau. ठीक, then we have learned about Malwa Plateau also. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Malwa Plateau is in the northwest of the country, northwest of the part of the country. It is lie between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. It slopes towards the northern plains, so rivers flows towards the northern rivers only, like Ganga and Yamuna. Soil is black and quite fertile also. Cotton crops and oil seeds are grown in this area. Chota Nagpur Plateau is the another part of the Central Highland, which is towards the northeast, and it is very rich in minerals like coal, mica, manganese, iron, etc. Now our next is Deccan Plateau, which we will complete in our next video. We will start about this in the next video, and after that we will start our states which are falling into this whole part, this whole southern plateau, one by one, and we will learn about the lifestyles and food, occupation of the people of this southern plateau region. Okay, thank you students.